this close to seeing my new baby, and I'm kind of like feeling somewhat nervous and happy, and I don't know, I'm excited to see what I see.
It's coming.
So yeah, 1 minute out now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hello guys, it's an exciting day today. Guess what today is? Tell me what's today.
Today is Bailey is coming home day.
The coming home of Bailey. Is it the coming home of Bailey? The home. Bailey's homecoming. They said it's coming home of Bailey. Bailey's homecoming. Okay, so guys, I'm so excited today because I'm getting my dog officially today. I'm going to be a dog mom starting today, and we're going to a place in Addison. It's, I think, 20 minutes away from Chicago, so technically it's like the suburbs of Chicago. And I'm going to pick up my puppy. He is 8 weeks old, either 8 or 9 weeks old. Well, yeah, he's so cute, and he's a goldendoodle. I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you guys to meet him. So see you guys there.
I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, seeing you part, same outcome. Don't know how I treated you wrong. Maybe that's it. I treated you poorly, made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try
We just
this.
got to Pontiac, and I think we're about an hour out, or an hour 30 minutes out. Yeah. So we're stopping by. We stopped to get gas and get food. I really want to have nachos, Taco Bells. Tell me, what are you having?
Probably burritos.
So we will do that. We'll start our journey again.
Raindrops fall, sun goes by, whole new day, trying to get by, seeing you cry, just made my day now, trying new ways now.
Hi, driver.
We're gonna get baby. We're gonna get baby. We're gonna get baby. We're gonna get baby.
They're talking to you.
Is that what? You wanna get nachos?
Yeah.
Hi, can I get nachos?
You want the chips and cheese?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a nachos Bel Grande.
Nachos Bel Grande?
Okay, so you don't want the chips and cheese, you want a Nacho Bel Grande?
Yes.
1 second for your drink. Okay, a Nacho Bel Grande, and then you said you wanted a burrito. What type of burrito?
Beefy layer.
Yeah, can I get a beefy 5-layer burrito? And what goes on it?
I'm sorry, you said a 5-layer burrito?
Yeah, the beefy one.
Anything else?
Yes, what goes on the beefy layer burrito?
I can barely hear you now.
What goes on the beefy layer burrito?
What goes on the 5-layer? It has beef, refried beans, and also has sour cream and cheddar cheese.
Can you take out the sorry, what was that? Can you say that again, sorry?
Sour cream.
No, not sour cream.
Beans. Refried
Yeah, can you
beans.
take out the beans, please?
That's the essence of that thing.
I don't like that.
All right, anything else?
Oh, do you have rice? Can you add rice to that?
Do we have what?
Can you add rice to that?
Can you add rice to that?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, that'll be all.
Okay, is everything correct on the screen for you?
Yes.
Any sauce packages?
No.
Okay, your total bill is going to be $9.31 at the window, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the essence of the burrito.
Yeah. Your business is nice.
Are you serious?
You never tried Taco Bell? Are you serious? You should have tried that burrito with everything in it. It's nice. Because now you're just having rice and cheese.
Rice, cheese, beef, sour cream.
You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again. That's why I know that I won't get you.
So what are the questions we're going to ask the breeder?
So when I watched the video you sent to me, it said something about asking if they've already pooped or drank water or eating something like that. So chat. Because as he has something to eat,
I think we should write this down so we don't forget. Vaccinations, we need to ask what.
I think you said he's already vaccinated on the chat. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know. You can ask me obviously that's a simple question. But yeah, vaccination, what kind of food does he eat? Anything out of the ordinary we should actually be concerned about.
Vaccination. Has he eaten? What else? Another question.
What food does he eat?
When last did he have his bath?
Yeah, that's a good one too, yeah. What kind of food do you know? I think you know what kind of food he eats. Actually, what kind of food he eats?
And then he mentioned that he eats like twice a day,
That's what
morning and the evening, just one cup each. So you can imagine that thing will last for like a month, yeah. And that's all he eats.
Ask him if you can give him a treat, like the treats you got. You can actually give it to him. I feel like that will upset his stomach because it's actually very new to him. But I don't know. We'll find out. We can find out if that one's actually also a good substitute. I don't know if you so you have to return it.
Yeah. Potty trained.
What's the train? I think they said it was right.
Yeah.
I mean, you can ask him what he actually does, what's the potty train that he actually does, so can actually maybe continue.
Any health issues? That's really
Yeah, that's hard. I mean, you can just Google and find some more questions.
I didn't have to say about you. Yeah, I wish I did.
We're 2 minutes out, and I'm this close to seeing my new baby, and I'm kind of like feeling somewhat nervous and happy, and I don't know, I'm excited to see what I see. How do you feel? Yep. So yeah, 1 minute out now. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
No picking up.
I be scam.
Hello.
Hi, this is Eva. I'm here for the golden doodle.
Okay, you know what? I'm actually 5 minutes away. I'm like I'm right here at my parents' place because my horse had an emergency, so we're here with a horse. Would you mind driving over here? It's just like 5 minutes from.
What's the address?
Yeah. Do you want? I can text you it.
Yes.
Kinda...
All right.
Oh, all right. I'll go ahead right now.
All right. Thank you.
Right.
Bye.
Not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Yeah. So what are you thinking?
Yeah, I think he's cute. You only have this one left?
Yeah.
Do you have any other dog?
I have two others that are actually wanting him.
Is
Yeah.
the mom here?
No, this is actually at my parents' house. So like I said, I'm in an emergency right now with the horses.
Okay.
I got the vet here right now.
Oh, you have horses?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Are they for sale
It's
too?
actually, I got the vet over there.
Hi, Bailey.
I know. Oh, is your radio?
So, we're done. Music can't be in it. So I've picked up Bailey. That's Bailey over there. He's such a cutie, and he's quite upset because I put him in his cage. So yeah, and I mean, it's been a long day and we're really tired, so we can't just wait to get home. And I'll show you what happens when we get home. Bye. So pretty much when we got home, Bailey was just playing about, and I mean, I feel like he adapted very well to my environment, and he really did not want to stay out of my sight. So we kept playing and doing a bunch of stuff, and I feel like the only challenge that we had was at night, because for some reason when I put him in his he totally hates staying in the cage. So when I put him in a cage, he just cries and barks and everything. I was really worried for my neighbors, like, okay, this dog is about to get me kicked out of my apartment. But yeah, pretty much he barked and all that, but I turned off the light so he wouldn't see or whatever. But I don't know, I feel like dogs have some sort of sight in darkness or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, another thing I noticed is the fact that whenever I'm sleeping, this dog sleeps. Whenever I'm awake, the dog is awake. Whenever I'm walking, this dog is walking. So at night, he kind of like got used to the fact that, okay, I'm sleeping, so he sleeps. The only time that he has ever cried at night was because I put a toy, those squishy toys that make noise or something. So if I don't know, maybe he felt like, okay, the baby or the toy was crying, so I should come and attend to the toy or something. But yeah, pretty much that was the only time. But the night was pretty good. Did I mention he follows me everywhere? Yes, he literally does, even to the washroom. Oh my goodness. Why are you following me everywhere I go? Why? When I'm bathing, you're with me. When I'm sleeping, you want to be with me. What? What happened, baby? Bailey, so who do you think is going to clean this? Me or you? Wow, he's walking away after talking to him. Bailey, come here. Bailey, come here. Bailey, who's gonna clean this mess? Bailey, who's gonna clean this mess? You better find yourself a job. You better find yourself a job. And here you're still going on about it. Bailey. Bailey, you're gonna clean this. It can't be me. It can never be me. Nah, it's not possible. I think it's you though. Why you pressed? Oh yeah. Bailey.
Hi.